RAJVILAS. Wow, it's beautiful. Small umbrellas have been given to us to protect from us from the sun. Main entrance, right, Karina? So Karina is here, gonna be taking us through Oberoi RAJVILAS entrance. How old is this property, Karina? 27 years. That's fantastic. Wow. Beautiful landscape. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Good morning. How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is the waiting area and the check-in area. Working on it. Nice. Of course, the cold towel has been presented. Nice. Welcome drink being offered. See, Riyaj, what you've got here. Thank you so much. This is what? Hazelnut?
No, it is made up of Indian grown gooseberries with lemon honey.
Nice. Thank you so much. And Riyaj got this puppet. And Katputli, you can show. Nice. All right.
From morning 8 till 9. Restaurant, we have a restaurant which is our only dining world cuisine restaurant. The breakfast, lunch, dinner will be served here. Breakfast will be from 7 till 10:30, and lunch will be from 12 to 3:30, and dinner will be from 7 to 10:30. And during the dinner, in the outdoor courtyard, there will be a musical show with the live instruments.
So in the evening?
Yes, it will be starting from 7:30.
7:30. Great. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So this is just the reception and the breakfast building. From here we are gonna be going towards our room, which is gonna be there, and we'll go by cart, of course. It's pretty hot here, but of course we will take the cart and go. It's beautiful property, as it has lot of lawns, lot of gardens, and this is just amazing. Okay. And Karina is going to be driving the cart for us. Wow, so our chauffeur would be Karina as well. Great, Karina, thank you so much. You are multi-talented.
2 acre.
Right.
And we are having inside the square building in the middle. You are seeing is the Lord Shiva temple,
Oh, nice.
which is a 308-year-old Shiva temple.
Oh, wow.
And we are having the temple blessing from morning and evening. Morning from 7 till 9 and evening from 5:30 till 7:30.
Oh, great.
And right to the left hand side, The staircase will lead you to the main swimming pool of the property,
Right.
which is a temperature controlled one.
Okay.
And the timings for the pool will be from morning 8 till 8 p.m.
Uh-huh.
And right behind the pool, the building you are seeing is the wet spa.
Okay.
And the timings for the spa will be from 8 to 8.
Mhm.
And the last appointment is taken at 8 p.m.
Correct.
And in the evening, here in the pool deck, we'll be having some activities as well.
Okay.
We'll be having lac bangle artist, miniature painting, pottery section, henna
Right.
tattoo.
Right.
All these will be starting from 5 p.m. till 6:30.
Okay.
And from 7 there will be a puppet show as well.
Oh, nice.
Indoor, if you would like to play table tennis, we can arrange the setup.
Okay.
But we need to know priorly
Of
so
course.
that we can set up things
All
here.
right. We've arrived at our rooms. Namaste. Good afternoon. Okay. Okay, so this would be our room. Room number 204. Oh, nice. Very good. It's a beautiful room. Of course, with a sitting area. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. This is the dressing area. Hello. That's the walk-in closet, I guess. Here we have the... And Raj is happy because it has a tub here. Woo! Nice. That's our shower area.
I'm staying in the tub for
WC.
the whole hour.
2 sinks for him and her. And that's me. Hello. Looks amazing. Fantastic. Look at the details as well. Full length mirror, of course, you can get, which I got it from the reception. Thank you. Dryer, all the amenities are there, as well as the ironing board, every single thing with the weighing scale as well. Nice. Perfect. This room is with the private garden as well. Oh wow. Oh, nice. So you can have your morning tea, evening coffee, and of course Riansh is already there. Right now it is pretty hot, so we are not going to be having anything, but yes, we are going to be working on it as well. And